Alright guys, we're going to do a video today on my 1969 Dodge Charger RT. It is the Hawaiian drag car by Roland and Leong's, I believe. May have pronounced that name wrong, but we'll just get it out of the box here and I'll show you what's going on. Alright guys, we're going to go over this 1969 Hawaiian Charger now. Got it out of the box there. Stunning looking model. Got some great detail on it. So the detail on this car, again, just like the 70 Charger, just a great detail. Obviously you got the Krager wheels on it again. The fat slicks out back there. All the proper decals on the side. Let's get into the inside of it here. One thing I like about these cars, I mean, most of these Auto World ones are, they're pretty good. So it's got like a soft rubber seat in here. You can move it back or forward and then back to a certain degree too. Got your shifter in there. The dash is all painted too. Got all your molding right around, separate chrome molding around the windows, on the doors. And it's just like the other Charger, it's got the latch mechanism on the door there. Same deal as that. Real great color of car. It's like a metallic, metallic blue. I don't know if that's like a B5 blue or something like that. And then the white there really sets off everything nice. Let's move around to the front here. So this car has actually got working headlights. Show you here. Oh, we're gonna. There you go. This one's a little bit more looser than normal. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you get the picture. They both do work though. It's the problem with, it's the thing with these models, stuff's so delicate all the time, you gotta watch. This is a Dodge Charger RT. It's got the Hemi in here. Great detail on the Hemi, just like the other Dodge Charger. Got all the proper wires and stuff going places. Got your spark plug wires going to the distributor at the front, and all your hoses and lines running to the rad. All soft rubber, of course, and then your battery cables, negative and positive. Just like really great detail in general. Everything's painted up all nice there. Got your washer fluid there, or your not washer fluid, but your rad fluid. Got the brake booster all painted there. Even the lines on the firewall there for your electrical are all painted. Might be hard for you guys to see that. I can't zoom in with this GoPro, but a few little brackets on the firewall painted up. Your stickers on the rad support there, and your VIN tag and stuff on the fender. Latches up here too. Alright, just move around to the back of the car here. I'll just pop the rear trunk here. It opens up. Same as the other car too. It's got simulated floor trunk mat in it there. I think it's just like a sticker they put on it. So all nice paint work. Everything's detailed pretty well, I'd say. It's too bad they didn't put a little, they usually have like a sticker on here for the fuel cap. It just has the black sticker with fuel, saying fuel on it. But I mean, if you can forsake that as a detail, it's a minor detail. But other than that, this car is pretty good though. I like seeing drag cars detailed in this manner. I mean, it's the way they should be done, honestly, but I'll flip around her side here. Have a look at the underside. Same deal as the other Charger too. It's got the big headers on it there, all chromed out. All your suspensions pretty well detailed as well. I got your your painted K member there. And I believe the drive shaft works on this as well. You can see, yep. It's a neat feature they did on these cars. Not that it matters too much, but I mean still, I mean just adds to the detail. Just a great car, great color. Overall, great piece to have, I'd say. Alright, I'll just show you guys the box here in a sec. Okay, so here's the box here. And one thing I like about Auto World is they really get into the specifics on these here. So I did mention this in the last video, but they actually show the manufacturing date right on the box, right down to the, like 07/27/6. So this is, I believe that's July 27th, 2016. So this is a 2016 model. So it's pretty neat that they do that, because you can, and there's your item number down at the bottom underneath that, it's AW231-06. Yeah, pretty neat they do that. That way you can determine exactly when your car was built. So it's, I'm glad Auto World makes boxes like that. And I like it when they also put the little bit of the backstory on these boxes. That way, you know, if you weren't too familiar with Hawaiian drag cars or anything like that. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not too familiar with it. I know Dick Landy's cars and stuff like that, and Sox and Martin, but never did hear about the Hawaiian car. So this kind of gets me all familiarized with it all. So it's good they do that too. I like hearing the backstories and stuff. That way you can kind of put stuff together. So yeah, it's pretty decent. I do like Auto World models. A couple years ago I just started trying them out just to see what they're like and stuff, and I'm really happy and pleased with them. Dropping everything here, wow. But at least with these two, they got visible from the both ends and then the bottom as well too, so you can see right through your, make sure your car's in good shape before you open up the box. So that's a good thing too. Alright guys, I think that's all I got for now. Cheers, and we'll catch you later.